Hello and welcome to today's daily message. I suppose that one of the questions we all ask ourselves from time to time is, what can I do to get closer to God? And sometimes we even ask, what can I do today to get closer to God? So this week, I want to offer some suggestions for things that we can do on each particular day that will bring us closer to God. So today, here's my suggestion. Who is that person whom you need to say thank you to? Who is that person who is a gift in your life? Who is that person who has gone out of her way or his way to do something special for you? I suggest that today you tell that person thank you. And when you do, you will be closer to God because you will be sharing with that person God's wonderful gift of gratitude. Thank you. I hope you have a great day today, and thank you for watching.